Hello, everyone. Our YouTube channel. Beautiful, right? Hello SS Fam, welcome back to the SS Fam kitchen. In today we're going to be making okra soup. This is just going to be seafood okra soup. No meat and oil needed. Let's get started. All we're going to be using is shrimp, stockfish, dry fish, dried shrimps, and this is fresh fish, but I'm going to dry it. I'm going to dry it up before using it. This is the okra, and this is red bell pepper. So I already cooked it. You know, when you buy things in bulk, you have to preserve them. So I already cooked them. So before you see me again, I'm going to grate the okra, dry up the fish, and blend this one, and I'll show you the other ingredients we're going to be using. Let's start cooking. Kian is always guys. This is me drying up the fish. Okay guys, I'm back now. I told you guys when I return, you guys are going to see that the okra is well grated, just like that, and my frozen red bell pepper is well blended. All you need to do is just press frozen in my blender, it defrosts and blend perfectly. That's what I did. And you know, because I bought bulk, I have to cook it and store them in my freezer like that. So boom, red bell pepper is ready. Now for my shrimp, what I did is wash it with salt, then pour boiled water in it and just rinse it out. Then no sliminess or anything, is perfectly clean. And I want to, you know, some people in my comment section always want to know details about everything that I use. So this is the Maggi we're going to be using today, is the Nigerian pot seasoning for soup. That's what we're going to be using. And this is my fish. Look at the fish, all dried. I dried it myself. DIY, do it yourself. And this is the dry fish and stock fish we're going to be using. I did not wash it, I just waited so I can do it in you people's presence. So what I'm going to do now is run cold water in it, wash it perfectly with my cold water. When I'm done, I'll just go ahead and pour hot water in it. So let's do that real quick. So boom, just like that, all clean. I washed it up with cold water. Now this is our boiled water. Pour it like that. Let it soak in it. Then you just bring it out with ease and put it in your soup. Boom, just like that. So let the cooking begin. We are ready. This is our pot that we're going to be using. We're going to be pouring in our pepper and red bell pepper like this. Just like that. Don't forget that this red bell pepper and scotch bonnet pepper has already been cooked together before storing them in the fridge. All I did was to bring it out and blend it. So now that we are done with that, second ingredient is going to be dry shrimp. When it comes to shrimp, you can use as many shrimp that you like. Don't say, oh, okay, because you use shrimp, if I don't have shrimp, I can't cook it. Oh my word, you can. So seafood does not require to have shrimp. You can just use fish and everything will still be good. So we're going to be putting our fresh shrimps. This is salt. I'm just going to eyeball it like that. I'm going to be introducing the fish. This is all the fishes we're using. Now we're going to add our stock fish. Then add your Maggi. So we're not going to be cooking this soup with any oil or any meat. So this is oilless seafood okra soup. The best recipe ever. So just like that. Once everything boiled up, we're going to open it. Then we test for salt, test for pepper, test for everything. Then we continue. So right now, I'm just going to pull the lid. I'm not going to stir anything. Put the lid like so. And let it boil. Okra recipe is the simplest soup to cook ever. Okay, now you don't need too much water to cook your okra, but you do need water to boil your stockfish and all that. So I've gone ahead to rinse my blender with water. So this is the blender. I rinse it like that. Just pour the water like that. You need to rinse it a bit more and pour it inside. We're going to give it a stir now. So when you're cooking with fish, you have to be careful while stirring. You don't want everything to get scattered. But I'm just trying to lower it in so everything will boil in very well. The fuse and marry together. Get the gist right? Right. Let's cover it to boil. Okay guys, can you see that beauty? Just 2 minutes. Oh, look at that. My kitchen smells so amazing. Now I'm introducing my onions. Like that. Test for everything. I'm just going to test and see if everything is perfect. Salt is good enough. Pepper is lit. I just want to make sure you guys get the whole ingredients right. Everything is accurate and my soup smells so good. So very soon, like that, like this now, we'll just allow the onions to boil a little bit. I'll come and remove the fishes. Then the okra will be introduced. So guys, let's check it out. Can you guys perceive that? Always cook your food on a medium heat. So now the fish has survived to this extent. So we're going to be taking out the fishes. Guys, now the fishes are out. Let me zoom in so you guys can be seeing it very well. Now that all the fishes are out, except okporoko, which is stockfish that has no problem. Okporoko not go break because it's mighty, and the shrimps are free to stay inside. Let them enjoy. So now this is our okra. So I'm not going to put it like that. I'm going to pour in boiled water. So guys, this is the okra and this is boiled water. So just add it like so, then give it a stir. Okay, I cannot keep quiet in my video. So I'm going to add more because I don't like my okra soup too thick, and trying to dilute it inside the pot is just like work for me. Mixing it already like this with boiled water makes my life super easy. Look at that sliminess. Ooh, oh. So now let's turn the camera to our pot. So now let's open it. Look at that. Now this is our okra that we just diluted together with boiled water. So pour it in like so with ease. So we're gonna give it a good stir together. Look at that. So if you choose not to put oil in your okra soup, this is how to achieve it. See, it looks so beautiful. Look at that. Let's zoom in it. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. With ease. After the dilution, look at it. You already know this is how you want your soup to be. If you want it more liquidy, you go ahead and add water. For me, this is just perfect like this. Now we're going to go ahead and reintroduce our fish. Oh my word, guys, I wish when you cook and you can get somebody to taste. But you guys cannot taste now. So what I did again was to go ahead and debone my fish. So I debone them because I don't want Ken to have this thing on his throat. Pouring in. Now all the fishes are inside. We just gently give it a stir. Let's allow it to boil. Ooh la la. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Did you see that? Just like that, SS Farm, our oilless seafood okra soup is ready. Look at that. Our okporoko is still very much intact. Okay guys, look at our soup. It's ready for consumption and it looks so beautiful and yum. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. We out.